So yeah, stream is working fine. Drink a bit of water. Okay, got my phone here. Of course, we're gonna use ChatGPT, Gemini, PhotoMath, all that stuff. And let's see what I can do here. Basically, I was left with this exercise yesterday. I was trying to do it. So I was here, v equal with this, and then v equal with that. And I would get this, x power minus 2, u will be this, du will be this, and I think we're gonna work with dv here, right? So I'll have dv equal with x at the power of minus 2 dx, and I'll have that v equal with this integrator will be with my formulas. Essentially it will be x at the first power divided by 1, which is just x, and I have this. Now we're back to that formula of integration. Should be around here. Okay, so trying to find the formula. U, V, yeah, there it is, applying the formula. And it will be from here, first U, which is ln x to the second power times V, which is just x minus integral, hold up, we have u and slightly different here, example anyway. I've got v again, x times du, which is 2 ln x, like this, times 1 divided by x dx. This is what I would have. And now from a new line, basically there I have ln x at the second power, and this would be 1 divided by x at the second power, and as there is times x there, I can just put that x at the top, so it will be like this. And now I have to integrate this second part also, but first let's just move the terms if we need to. So I have 2x ln x times 1 divided by x. I guess I could put the 2x at the top, and I would have 2x divided by x, which will be x. So I'll have integral x ln x dx, and I got x ln x. I think I can't just do the formula for it. There's a formula for just ln x, but here I have x ln x, and they're multiplied. So we're gonna have to split this integral in two, I think. I don't think it's necessary to do integration by parts or something like this. I don't know if it's exactly correct. Go like this. X divided by x second power minus, there I have x, so number integral will be first one x integrated, so x second power divided by 2 times, formula for ln x is x ln x minus x. This is what I have, and now I just put the limits from 1 till e and evaluate from here. And I'll start with the upper one, e divided by 2 here, minus e divided by 2 divided by 2, actually e at the power of 2, times e ln e. Ln e is 1, so I'll have times e here, so it'll be like this, and minus e, and this minus, once again, I'll have there 1 divided by 1, which is 1, minus 1 divided by 2 times ln of 1, that's 0, so this whole thing will be 0 minus 1. Now I have 1 minus 1, but there's minus 1 and minus 1, which is minus 2 here. Okay, so I've got minus 2 here, and I don't know how we'll do this thing with ease. We could put the common denominator here, and here the same, put over 1, and here the common denominator will be e at the second power times 2. Here I'll multiply with e at the second power, and here I'll multiply with 2, and so I'd have 2e minus e at the fourth power times e at the third power, I think, and it will be e at the seventh power. Not sure how this exponential rule works. It could be like this, so e at the seventh power, and lastly minus e, and all of this divided by e to the second power, so times 2, minus 2, and I have minus 2e minus e, that's minus 3e, minus e to the 7th power, divided by 2 times e to the second power, and we can also put the common denominator there for the 2, and I'll have minus 4 e to the second power, something like this. Now I'm just gonna check. Final answer is pi. I forgot about the pi. It was like from the start there. So final answer, the correct one is pi, parenthesis 2 minus 5 divided by e. This is what you'd get a final answer. So let's see what went wrong. Applying the formula. So I took the dv here, and v actually would be 1 divided by x minus y x at the first power divided by 1. Oh yes, so it would get flipped, and also add a minus. So yeah, this is kind of a issue here, and this stuff also is pretty much the issue. Let me check it out. Just ln x here. This is pretty complicated here. You'd have u equal with ln x, du equal with 1 divided by x dx. So this is how it should be. And then you apply the formula, and you would have u ln x divided by x as uv. Yeah, that's about right. So I'm gonna go from here, ln x divided by x, all of this minus, and this from e till 1, and don't forget to put the pi when finding the v, and minus integral from 1 till e, and minus 1 divided by x. That is the v times du, which is 1 divided by x dx, 1 divided by x dx, and from here minus ln x divided by x just stays like this, ln x divided by x, and there 1 divided by x, but just ln, right, module. And so I would have 1, so 2 integrals, 1 divided by x to the second power, and yeah, there's actually a formula for this, so I'd have minus ln and module of, no, it's actually minus 1 divided by x, and all of this from 1 till e. And now just evaluating this, I'll have ln of e, which is 1, and 1 over e first there, minus 1 divided by e, and next minus 1 divided by e again, which is minus 2 divided by e, and minus again, ln of 1, which is 0, 0 divided by 1 is 0, so minus 1 divided by 1, which is 1, and if I put a common denominator as e, it will be 2e, so it will simplify and I get minus 2. There's still something wrong there, and see where I was, this, and you would get x at the power of minus 2, and evaluate the definite integral part, ln e, you would get minus, evaluate the remaining integral. Yeah, the support is kind of different. what if I try a PhotoMath approach or ChatGPT approach for this exercise? This is essentially this from 1 till e, ln x divided by x. So I'm gonna try it with PhotoMath. Okay. PhotoMath, and snap a picture here. Crop it. Solve. Can't solve this one. PhotoMath, so let's go with ChatGPT. Calculate the volume of an object of rotation. Let's go with this one. Write something here. Like this. And back. Continue with Google. And let's go here. Oh, I can't upload anymore. Should I try Copilot, Microsoft Copilot? I don't know if I have it installed. I have it installed, but I can update it. I don't know if it's gonna help so much. It's gonna be pretty quick. Open it. And looks like I'm logged in. Pop a photo. Pop my exercise. No, it's not this one. Let's go with camera. Snap a photo. What the hell is this photo? What? Why it takes it like this with greens and stuff? What the hell is this? Anyway, I'll take my own usual photo. When I took a photo of Copilot, it was like with green background. I don't know what that was about. Just crop it nicely. Boom. And I guess that's visible enough. Put this photo and this. Yeah, from 1 till e, and I would get at the end p divided by 3. Is like the same as what I got with Gemini. With Gemini, I've got essentially the end result p parentheses 2 minus 5e. Something went wrong there. Let's check out the book to see what is the correct answer. Is it the Copilot answer or Gemini, or I have to go with ChatGPT altogether? Go to my right page. 1.2 exercise 1.15. Choose 15, and it's it's the I think Gemini did it correctly mostly. So we're gonna go with that, with Gemini as Copilot. Didn't do it as correct as necessary. So, going back there at the top. Swarm's a bit complicated. I was here. Solve the first part. Definite integral. Let's see where I remained. Okay, fine. Got the formula here. Minus ln x divided by x e1 ln x at the power 2. That's application of formula. You have to take that into account that the formula is slightly different. It's with pi, and the thing at the top you put it at the second power. You have to remember that. And we got this substitution, and so I would just apply the formula. I'd have, hold up, that's the second integral, 2 ln x. Having trouble to understand where exactly I was left here on this exercise. Doesn't seem like the same stuff. A with B, what? Hold up. Seems about right. Okay, let's go again then. Essentially, I've got this. I do the formula, and fx is ln of x divided by x. And so I got that formula, and then I do the substitution method. Something seems to be slightly different here. Okay, this. Now I would have this x power of minus 2, and so I'd have the v and the dv. Okay, that's correct. And then applying the formula, or did I apply it? So here, v equal with pi times this at the second power based on the formula divided by x, and minus this integral. Okay, and essentially I could put 2, so instead of this, 2 ln x divided by x, and drag it here. I'm trying to understand how that happened. U v first, okay, and this second power minus integral of v, okay, and times du, okay. And now basically I just have to solve this. You tidy it up, you solve the second integrand, you do the values and stuff. That's what you would get. Yeah, I'd also put a thing like this because at pi at the front you have to multiply it also. And there I've got this remains like this, so pi minus ln x at the power of 2 divided by x, and this from e till 1 minus integral from 1 till e, and there I can put the 2 up front, and I would get ln x divided by, so minus to minus there is like this, plus ln x divided by x at the second power dx. That's correct up until now. And also you close the parentheses, because the pi from the start you also have to multiply it with everything. And so how can I integrate ln x divided by x to the second power? Well, if I do use substitution, I can solve this. So let's substitute. U will be equal with ln x, du will be equal with 1 divided by x dx, and the lower limit will be converted to ln of 1, which is 0, and the upper limit, it's ln of e, which is 1. And so I would have, I can already put it like this, b, opening up this parenthesis, minus ln of x all at the power of 2 divided by x, and this from 1 till e plus 2, and now I just can integrate this u divided, so it will be, I just put like this, integral from 1 till e u divided by x second power times dx, so from here I have to take a dx. It would be du divided by 1 divided by x, so this will be x du. Okay, so x du, that's right, because then I'd have at the top x u divided by x divided by that at the power of 2. Have to check it out if it's actually correct. Solve the first part, definite. Solve the second part, new integral. Oh, so you actually do it with integration by parts. I thought I just do use substitution, but actually it's integration by parts. Okay then. So if I would do it with integration by parts, I'm gonna delete this, scratch that. U is essentially ln of x, du is 1 divided by x dx, and now I don't need this, but I need the v for integration by parts. First the dv, and the dv is what we have left, x to second power. If you put it at the top, it's going to be x to the power of minus 2 dx. And if you integrate this part, you would get x minus 2 plus 1 is going to be x to the power of minus 1 divided by minus 1, x to the power of minus 1 divided by minus 1, and you would get this equal to minus 1 divided by x. So essentially you have x power minus 1. It's going to go down, plus minus 1, and then you flip it up back again because it's that divided by 1. Minus is there, yeah, something like this. And now you just apply the fucking formula, and here's the formula. That's okay, that's correct. Now the second integrated thing, you'll start with u, which is ln x times ln x, then the times b, which is times minus 1 divided by x minus integral of v, which is minus 1 divided by x, and lastly multiplied with du, which is 1 divided by x dx. And I can also put this parentheses like this and close this, because first I had to pi at the start, and all this is multiplied with that pi at the start in order to do the volumetric formula. Okay, so now equal here, go below here, equal once again, and you can just write the first part as it is, opening up, minus, in parentheses, ln x to the power 2 divided by x, and here I have from e till 1 plus 2 times actually all of this here, 2 ln x minus 2 divided by x, which I guess is 2 ln x, because if I've got, or maybe just like this, no, and then minus that integral, it'll be minus to minus plus, that integral is 1 divided by x to the second power, and if you integrate that, you would have, starts with a minus, so put a minus 1 divided by x, and I think I have to multiply by 2 also, so I'll have once again 2 at the top, close the parentheses, and there you go, the same limits. You have to multiply it with pi at the start, and now just moving on, I'll have equal here. I'm just gonna write it like this for now, opening up parentheses minus ln x to the power of 2 divided by x, parentheses again from e till 1, plus 2 ln x, and then I've got minus 2x minus 2x, it will be minus 4x, and close the parentheses. Now I just have to put the e and 1 instead and calculate, and I would have b opening up square parentheses, and I have ln e, which is 1 at the top, and it's gonna be minus 1 divided by e here, and plus 2 ln e, so 2 minus 4 divided by e, and after this expression I have to put it like this, and minus when I put the 1 instead of the x, and I'd have minus, so there, minus again, so we'll go plus, but I'm gonna keep it like this for now. ln of 1, that just 0, 0 there, and then I have that 0 there, minus 4, so plus 4 here, plus 4, and close this, because we'll multiply the pi with everything, and then I also have a common denominator, right? So it'll be minus 5 divided by e. Here I can write plus, and if I put it with common denominator, plus 2e here, and I got this, and then plus 4 from there, minus 5 plus 2e divided by e plus 4. I guess the final form is like this. Actually, it's pi 2 minus 5 over e why sound wrong here, equal pi, what can I do here? Multiply the pi, the top will be 5 pi plus 2e. The response from Gemini has a pi up front, and 2 minus 5 divided by e. I can, I guess, simplify the e. No, I can't. I need to take a look at the top and see what I did wrong in the calculations. Calculate the final volume, evaluate the remaining integral, applying the formula. I have to go there at the top to see it. I have to understand where I was left. I was somewhere here. I I did it with integration by parts here, the second integral, and I would get this, applying the formula, yeah, boom, and I'll get this, and then once again minus this plus 2x at the power minus 2. It's pretty complicated here. 2 ln x minus 4x. I didn't do it correctly here, I think, when I integrated this. So this part above this line, that's all correct. I was here. And Gemini does it strangely. I take the pi with me, but Gemini does the integration without a pi and then plugs it in later. That's why it's a bit complicated to understand. So once again, minus ln x divided by x. Where did the second power go there? Get x at the power of minus 2 there. But what I put? Oh, I think I put minus 2 divided by x minus 2 divided by x. Why did I put it twice? Plus 2 ln x. Where did the 2 go? Where's the 2? I forgot to plug it in here. Oh, so this is 2. So 2 ln x minus 2 divided by x. And there I'd have, yeah, 1 divided by x second power. And I did a formula. I plugged in the 2. And I will get minus 2 divided by x. But there I have essentially x to the power of minus 2. So there might be a slightly different formula. If I do like this, integrate x to the power of minus 2, I'd have x to the power of minus 1 divided by minus 1, and I'd have it, x would go down because it's the power of minus 1, and there's a minus 1 below, so minus 1 divided by x, right? Still the same stuff. And I multiply it by 2, and I've got minus 2 divided by x. Evaluate the definite integral part. Now it just plugs in this into the E. Where did you forget the second power and stuff? We're gonna plug it in. What is this Gemini even doing and still getting the correct result? I'm gonna scan this one of ChatGPT, and the result should be better explained there. So let's go with that for now. Drink a bit of water. And going here. Okay. And I've got this exercise here. I already did a picture. Going to the app. Okay, and selecting this account, Google sign in options. Okay, boom. Sign you in, loading. Go here, photos, this exercise here, boom, boom, yeah. Let's see what answer it gets. It should get like the same answer as Gemini, but better explained, you know. Pi divided by 3, and it did it in 2. 2 fucking gross. What's the answer here? I was going Gemini this whole time, and you mean to tell me the result is wrong? And this could have been a heck of a lot easier. This is why I gotta use ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT, not Gemini. You can see in real time how it works so much better. Anyway, I'm here. Let's go to the back where the answers are. Applications of definite integral. Okay, exercise 15. And he ain't got the correct one. What? Maybe the fucking book is wrong or whatever. Let's do another one. Fuck this exercise. I did in 2 fucking whatever. Did it easily. Be divided by 3 and stuff. So I'll go with the next one. I have integral from 0 till the square root of 3, and here square root of x times arc tgx. dx. Now after you get volume, which is like that, you add a pi, you put a second power and stuff, so v will be pi is integral from 0 till square root of 3, and in parentheses fx by x, all this power 2 square root of x times arc t gx, all of this power of 2 dx. Now you just do this stuff. I'd have yeah, so essentially there's no formula for like this kind of stuff. Square root of x times arc tgx to the power of 2. So I'll go with guess I can do this b, this integral from 0 till square root of 3, and there I have x times arc tg x second power. It's like this, huh? And dx, and after this arc tgx second power, don't know exactly how to do it, this arctg stuff, so let's go ChatGPT. Yeah, this exercise got it. Picture, boom, crop, like this. Alright, like this. save. Go back here, pop it in, same condition, and let's compare the result that it gives me to the result from the book. Go there. Result from the book is some kind of long results. Add ChatGPT widget to your phone screen to be able to upload a photo with just one tap. Nah, I don't want that. P2 divided by 9 minus this plus this. Yeah, that's correct. So yeah, I'll be back like after 1 hour maybe. So stream ending for now.